Yordas Group is a scientific and environmental consultancy. We're based at Lancaster University in the UK. We provide services to over 30 countries across the globe.
Yordas helps businesses to get their products to market, to make sure that they can stay on the market, that they remain compliant. And it helps businesses to look at the entire life cycle of their product, to make sure that they are safe from workers and researchers in the R&D phase, all the way through to end of life cycle. So how is a product disposed of?
We've been very successful to date based in the UK, but we recognise that a lot of our services are global, and really to expand and develop our business activities we need to put something in place, a footprint in North America, and we eventually found Hamilton to be, and McMaster's in particular, to be the best option.
The Innovation Park we like because it has a very nice kind of nexus of people who work both with the university, with government, with industry.
It has the facility and capability for us to develop and expand. We're in a very small office to start with, but we certainly have intention to build that up, utilising the skill sets that come from McMaster's University.
Yordas works with a broad range of sectors and a broad range of kinds of companies. So we work all the way from startup companies with 1 or 2 people, all the way up to global players. We work in the advanced manufacturing sector, mining, oil and gas. We offer sustainability services in things like green chemistry. We can offer help when small startups are thinking about putting products on the market, and just in terms of thinking through what they need to do, just the steps they need to go through to get onto the market in terms of compliance. We're very excited to announce that we will be having our official office opening on February 7th, 2019, here at McMaster Innovation Park. In the morning, we will have a Meet the Expert clinic, so businesses can come in and chat through any concerns that they may be having and get some expert advice. In the afternoon, we have a mini conference going on, and we hope that that kind of speaks to a lot of the concerns that people have been raising with us in the region, from things like learning how to get into new markets, all the way to really hot new topics like nanomaterials. Then in the early evening, we have a reception, and we're very excited that people from both the city and from the university and from industry will be there to help us celebrate.